my friends. This is my scrapbook again.
Hinay-hinay lang. Pakita sa...
This is my name. This is me. This is my picture when I was young. This is my GSP. This is my best day in my life. This is my travel to Agoy River. This is me. It's beauty. This is my BFF. This is my partner in love with my partner. This is my scrapbook. That's a scrapbook. This is my ugly pictures. I love you guys. This is my birthday celebration with my cousins. Composition. This is my scrapbook. This is me. This is my king and finch. This is my classmate in grade 5 sincerity. This is my pictures when I'm going to Magsaysay San Oriental. And this is my blue. And this is my quadras. That's my all friends. This is Prince Camille, me and Rhapsody and Natalie. This is my logo. This is my ugly art. And this is my scrapbook again. Scrapbook again because there was nothing to do. This is my art. This is me. Thank you, sir.